Hello guys, LifeHackster here, and here at CES 2025, first day done. This video will focus on brands that I've worked with and a couple of newer brands that I'll be testing their products out soon. I'm planning to make a separate video about other tech products that I think are interesting and my overall experience with CES. But I can tell you, AI is the buzzword. For security cameras, Eufy and Wyze didn't participate this year. Ring is back with a bigger spot this year, and let's see what's new.
Hi, I'm Andrea McDonald with Ring, and we're at CES 2025. So this year at CES, Ring has announced a partnership with Kidda, which is really exciting, to introduce a collection of smart smoke and combination smoke and CO alarms that have Ring technology built in. When these alarms detect unsafe levels of smoke or carbon monoxide, they will send a real-time alert through the Ring app, which is really cool. So no matter where you are, if you're out and about or if you're traveling and a smoke alarm goes off in your house or a carbon monoxide detector alarm notices something, you can get an alert on your Ring app. The new alarms with Kidda do not need a Ring alarm, hub, or other device to set up and operate. They connect via Wi-Fi and are hardwired into your home, and they do have two AA batteries for backup in case your home loses power. So also at CES, Ring is showing off Smart Video Search. Smart Video Search is a new AI-powered feature that was launched in October 2024, and it helps you find key moments captured by your Ring camera or Ring doorbell. Instead of having to scroll through hours of video footage to find something, now you can just launch the Ring app, go to the Ring video history section in the app, and start typing. You can search for anything from animals to whether the package was delivered to vehicles and people. You can even search for activities like jumping or bicycling. We find that a lot of our customers find fun animal content as well. Smart Video Search is great for helping you answer everyday questions about what might have happened at your house or to find things that you might have misplaced. It is currently available for all Ring products and is available through a Ring Home subscription, a Ring Home Premium subscription for $19.99 a month.
Also, something I forgot to film, but Ring is also going to push 2K quality recordings from their Spotlight Cam Pro and Floodlight Cam Pro, and also the option for 24/7 recording for 14 days uploaded to the cloud with their Ring Home Premium subscription. And it is limited to 10 cameras, which currently there are only 4 models that supports it.
All right, Fabrice here. Welcome to Reolink at CES 2025. We just launched our new series of cameras, a whole series. We've expanded on 96 hours continuous recording of the Altus PT Ultra into a whole new series of created cameras. The Altus series comes in the Altus Go PT, and the new Altus PT Ultra with 4K Wi-Fi resolution. So we have two cameras that look alike, but they're different. Now, the new Altus PT Ultra comes with 4K and Wi-Fi, but records 24 hours, 7 days a week on a single charge. And then you have the Altus Go PT, which is also 2K camera with 4G cellular connectivity, perfect for remote installation and off-grid homes if you needed to. This is an amazing camera, and you can differentiate them because with the Go PT, you have a blue ring in front of a camera, so in front of the lens, and you're able to know which version you have. So you can put a SIM card in there for continuous recording and streaming over the internet. And then on the other side, we have the Altus, which is a 2K Wi-Fi camera, like a bullet style design camera that also does 24/7 recording on a single charge. And all these cameras come with Alcala X technology with the f1.0 aperture opening. So that comes to all these cameras across the board to be able to see in pitch dark situation with full color. And you can combine these with our solar panels. You have a 6-watt solar panel here and a big 12-watt solar panel on this side that would allow you to plug into these cameras and have them juiced up forever. Just keep them there, forget about it, and these cameras will be juiced up all the time and record 24/7 without any hassle. Just drop it out there, forget about it, and you're good to go. Okay, so here we have the new Dual 3 Wi-Fi. As you know, we've launched PoE cameras with 60 megapixels, but to satisfy other users' needs, based on the success of these amazing cameras today, we just launched the Dual 3 Wi-Fi with Wi-Fi 6 technology. And the key word is this is the world's first 60 megapixel security camera with Wi-Fi 6 technology. So with 60 megapixels, 60 million pixel high resolution, you need that Wi-Fi 6 bandwidth to be able to stream footage over your cellular network, to be able to scroll through and watch whatever happened in your video. So this is a newly launched product for anyone that, any of our users that need that Wi-Fi connectivity combined with the high resolution 60 megapixel. This is an amazing 180-degree panoramic view security camera that would get the job done.
Tapo has a lot of new products this year, and I'll just run through them to be quicker. As to the Low Light Color Pro series, they now have a pan and tilt version, tracking camera, battery, or solar powered, and has a radar detector aside from the PIR for more accurate detection. They will also have a PoE version of this, which has a different design. And Tapo now has an NVR. This is an 8-channel model. And together with that, they will also have a turret and bullet type cams to go with it, in which you can also hook up the Color Pro Pan and Tilt PoE version. They're also going to release a palm vein lock, which you're just going to show your palm, and the door will lock or unlock, so it is touchless. It will work even if your hand is wet, which is better than the fingerprint option. They are also going to release 4 versions of dual lens cameras. You will have a wide angle 180-degree lens and 1 zoom lens that is pan and tilt and tracking. We have a wired Wi-Fi, 2 cameras recording 4K each, and we have the 2K version, and a battery and or solar powered, which is also recording in 4K. They also have an indoor-outdoor model, which is smaller and recording in 2K quality. Tapo also will have the Tapo AI in their app, which you can type in or say what you want to search, and it will give you a summary of the events with a ChatGPT vibe, and we'll show the events.
So my name is Brent. I'm the brand manager for Aosu, and we're releasing a bunch of new products this year, as well as our big release, which is our Home Cortex. And we're calling this like an integrated to make home security super simple and easy for everybody. And what this is going to do is you can take a camera, it will come in like a pack, a system, and all the cameras are going to be like in 4K. So we're going to emphasize 4K this year. And what you can do is connect like these cameras. And the problem that we see people having is they get a lot of notifications. So those notifications, what they do is just turn them off. So it kind of defeats the purpose, right? So what we're trying to do is reduce the amount of notifications, and this is what this is doing. So this has a lot of AI in it, and it's going to do things like facial recognition, and it can also do multi-person camera-to-camera track and syncing. Now, it sounds complicated, but essentially what it is that when you walk through the cameras, it can actually identify, like, if you're the homeowner, it can identify you, so it doesn't really track you. But if you have somebody like, let's say a repair guy or somebody to cut your yard, and they don't know who it is, you'll get notified saying, hey, there's an unknown person here, and maybe they're wearing like a yellow shirt. It will tell you all that information so you can greet them, but then when you let them go into your backyard or anywhere around your house, the camera will follow them the whole time. So it can go from camera to camera, but you're not going to get notifications about that. You're going to be getting notification when they leave. So as they go through and you know that they're there, you're not just getting a notification over and over again. And then it will take the entire event, compile it, and then you can like get the whole scene. You don't have to watch multiple camera views. You get everything in one stream system. So that's what this is doing. This is like a home base kind of, but we call it the Home Cortex.
Hi, my name is Bastian, and I'm the sales manager for Europe for Baseus. So this is one of our most innovative and newest product categories that we brought to market. And it's especially innovative because we have something of a unique feature that no one else has. That's this solar panel on top. Where you see others also incorporating a solar panel on their cameras, we have made it movable from left to right, so it tracks the position of the sun on the sky. The way this is connected, so this is not cloud-based or not cloud-connected. So that means that the cost of ownership is really, really low, because everything that is not stored on the camera and not stored in the cloud, but it's stored in this base station here. So it comes with 16 gigabytes as standard, and it's expandable at the top, where you can stick in a regular eSATA drive. And this one holds all of your videos and really collects it from the camera. There is a very secure connection between the camera and this base station, and the base station and the software you use. I think it's 128-bit encrypted, and it's certified by TÜV Rheinland in Germany to make sure that the connection between this and your phone is very, very secure.
I'm Fiona from Botslab. We offer a wide range of security products like indoor cams, video doorbells, indoor cams, outdoor cams, and dash cams, even a case watch for case safety. And let's start just from the video doorbell. This product is kind of a game changer for because it has the fisheye lens, so you can offer a panoramic view from head to toe, from left side to the right side. So even you put a package just in front of the door with zero distance with the door, you can still see it with no blind spots. See, you can see the package, and even this video doorbell you can still see. Imagine an unexpected visitor just appear at the side of at your door. You can still see it.
That's it for my day one here at CES, and comment down below what your thoughts are on the new upcoming products and features of your favorite brands. And for now, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.